Hello friends, welcome to Travel and Watches once again, and we are here with yet another unboxing video of a new watch. So this is a Victorinox Journey 1884 series watch which is released by Victorinox in 2023. So let's have a quick unboxing and see what is inside. So this is how it goes, the outer layering, and we open this box. This is a cardboard box and it opens up as usual. So if I remove it, there is a leatherette kind of finish on the box, which is quite good and feels premium. So let's keep it aside for a little bit and see what else is there. So here there's a compartment, and in this compartment we have two things. One is a quick guide. This is the usual guide that they follow, starting from their most famous series called Inox series. So Victorinox is essentially the Swiss Army knife maker, as everybody knows. For easy reference, this is a Swiss Army knife. Many of us might be having a Chinese multi-utility knife or tool, but the original ones which are made by Victorinox are like a class apart. They are very, very different, and although they're a bit pricey, but once you use them, you'll understand that quality is something which is different. It is made of pure stainless steel, and all the tools work exactly as desired. So this is their expertise, and they make a lot of kitchen knives also. When it comes to watchmaking, although it's a Swiss watchmaker, a Swiss company, this is their flagship watch. This is Victorinox Inox, and this is one of the toughest watches on the planet. It is supposed to survive 130 tests, and this watch over here can survive a tank. So that's commendable. Like you may like to watch some videos on the tests like being performed on this watch. That is really like incredible. So, and these watches are typically the full-fledged, the Inox professional version. This is a professional version. Are typically very rugged and big. So it is definitely not for the faint-hearted people, I would say. So continuing with this tradition, they have this new Victorinox Journey series 1884. So here is a small quick guide for Inox and three-hand thing. So they have typically a three-hand complication with the three-hand with the date complication. It has some basic instructions written in many languages. It does not come with any protective case like in the Inox series. The Journey does not come with any such case. So after a long while they have released a new series. We'll see what all is there in that. So this is one of my favorite things. This is one of the fewest watch companies in the world which offer you like 5-year warranty. So this is a relatively affordable brand, and it offers you a 5-year warranty. Of course, it may come up with some conditions, but still giving a 5-year thing itself is a big thing. So here is the warranty card. So this is the warranty booklet. So we keep it aside and we'll go to the watch. So here we are. So if you open it, so here we go. It's a beautiful watch, pretty big, again, not small as such. So this is a quartz version which I have, because like I personally feel that having such a big, macho style watch and added with the mechanical sophistication, I feel it does not go well. So for mechanical, they should be more sophisticated, more, smallish a bit. So here, for a rugged watch, which can go anywhere, which can survive anything, I think Quartz is better. But that's purely personal choice. You may like to differ. That's all based on personal preferences. So if I give you a basic idea about this watch, so this is in blue color. It has a date complication. It has red and white seconds hand, and otherwise a very peculiar, rectangular ish hour and minute hand, which is a bit unique, I would say. And otherwise, it has a aviation style dial. It has a rotating bezel, unidirectional rotating bezel. Victorinoxes have quite okayish accuracy as far as accuracy is concerned. It has written Swiss made, anti-magnetic. It has anti-magnetic and water resistance properties, which are ISO certified. And if we talk about dimensions and weight, this is a watch with a bracelet, and the weight is approximately 200 grams. So again, as I said, this is not for the faint-hearted. This is pretty thick. Huge block of steel is there in your hand, and which gives you a lot of confidence in case, like, you are well built, or of you are in those pressing professions. Then it has a diameter of 43 mm. It has length of around 53 mm. So the 53 may not be a fit with many people, unless you have a big or large wrist size. Like my wrist size is 7.25 inch, which is okay with this watch. So it has a Victorinox logo, and here there's a peculiar thing about it. So this 1884 is there on the rotating bezel, which is made in steel. Otherwise, the other part of the bezel is made of seems plastic on the top, not ceramic. So in the mechanical, it is in ceramic. And here again there is a steel part, which is a bit like, if it is loose or molten steel, you just press it. Something like that has been done. Then it has a crown, which is a screw down crown, and with Victorinox logo. What I liked, another thing in this, or rather amongst many things, is a very, very solid bracelet. So see, very limited number of times we find such a strong and unique, dazzling bracelet as such. And this is a additional protector clasp here, and otherwise it's a butterfly clasp. So after the butterfly, like in many Tissot's and any other some other watch companies, so this is a typical butterfly thing. So in order to secure it better, it has uh, a click-through mechanism. So here we close the butterfly, and then again there is a click, which makes it very secure so that it serves its purpose to go anywhere and like survive anything almost. So here we go. Another unique thing about this watch is your okay, so let me complete the dimensions. So it has a lug width of 21 mm, which is a bit unique. 21 mm is not a regular size. 20 and 22 or sometimes 24 also is a relatively regular, but 21 is a bit odd size, so you might be finding a bit difficult to find straps for it, but that's okay. That's not a like big issue. The width of the case is 12 millimeter, which is quite good, but don't go by 12 millimeter as such. It's a pretty solid watch because it is made in 316L steel. So after 316L steel, the only thing left is the Rolex Oyster steel. So that's a different thing altogether. So otherwise 316 is the best that you can get in normal cases. And it has 20 ATM water resistance or 200 meters, so 660 feet. So as I said, 316L pure steel. And another unique thing of it is the quick release strap. So this is a relatively latest thing which is happening with many of the Swiss watchmakers, and this is a very good thing, I would say, if companies are at this price range are giving this kind of feature. And this is pretty smooth, so this is very easy to attach or detach. So let's try to detach it and then see what is there at the back. So here we are. So if you just look at the case and see, it is mentioned from the house of original Swiss Army knife, established 1884. So this is the year of establishment of Victorinox. So Victorinox Swiss Army sapphire crystal. So this is another thing. So this has a sapphire crystal, which makes it very good shock resistance. And 241978 is the number of this particular model, not the serial number but the model identifier. Okay, otherwise there are certain other unique things about this watch which are there in the brand, in terms of brand identification. So if you just zoom in, so see here it is mentioned stainless steel, 316 AISI 316L. I hope it is visible. And then here 1884, and then here also. See, look at the crown. And some more. Zooming in. So if we take a loom shot, this is how it looks like. Which is pretty good. Justifies the Swiss watch quality. See, the Victorinox logo is illuminated, and the R markers are illuminated besides all the hands. The second hand is in green, and the R in minute hand is in white, which is nice. So here we are. So let me know what do you think about this watch, whether you liked it or not. If you have any questions, just drop me a message and I'll answer those questions, be technical, non-technical. So here we have like some other markers are also there. For example, here it is mentioned Victorinox. So these brand identifiers are like very interesting on this watch. Okay. Thank you and see you next time.